Did you know you can install any APK files on BlueStacks? In this video, I will show you how to download it in 3 simple steps. Hi, I am Kamis from Easy How To, where I break down complicated tasks into simple steps for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Install BlueStacks. But before we start, make sure you already have BlueStacks installed on your computer. If you don't have BlueStacks installed on your computer, watch this video here where I show you how to install it. It's so simple and easy process. Step 2. Download APK files. Here's how to install your first APK files. Use the link below this video, which takes you to the APK Pure website. I'm going to download Fortnite Mobile as an APK files. I would like to know what app are you going to download. Let me know in the comments below. On the search bar, I am going to type Fortnite Mobile. Search and click on download. It's gonna take time because it's quite large file, as you can see here, but I am gonna speed the video. You can find the APK files here. Downloads, click on it. Then click here to find where you have saved it. Show in folder. I saved on the D, download, you can see it here. Fortnite. Step 3. Run your APK app. Click on BlueStacks here. There are 2 ways to activate it. One, by clicking here. Can you see this icon here? APK. I don't like this way because you can't see the icon properly. The other way is drag and drop. We saved our file in the D and download. Now we just drag and drop it here, as you can see. You can see installing app here. Wait until finished. We have successfully installed our first APK file here. But if you don't do the right settings for BlueStacks, your computer will slow down and lag. To avoid that, watch this video until the end where I show you how to boost your computer performance.